If you're going on any outdoor adventures this summer, here are a few things you need to know.
Dad, are you okay? You look lost.
Remember S.T.O.P. The S stands for stop or sit. Stay calm, stay put. Do not wander around aimlessly or panic. You could get yourself more lost and in a worse situation. The T stands for think. You should think about where you are and how you got there. Maybe there are landmarks you should be able to see. Try to figure out what went wrong, but don't go yet until you have a reason to move. The O stands for observe. Look around. See if there's anything that you recognize. Get out your compass and a map of your area. Don't walk aimlessly. If you're on a trail, stay there. If you see a prominent landmark, take note of it. The P stands for plan. Decide what you are going to do. Based on your thinking and observations, figure out what option is best for you. It might be to hike out of there because you're very confident about where you are and where you're going. Otherwise, it might be to stay put. If you're staying put and it's safe to do so, you might want to start a fire. Find an area that's clear of any debris and gather your materials. Starting a fire is easier when you have different thickness of kindling, small, medium, and larger. Gather and prepare all of your material to burn and get ready to start your fire. You can set yourself up for success by getting some things from Blackbeard Fire. A fire can be started with a ferro rod, a butane lighter, or an electric lighter. It also is really handy to have some tinder. This is a fire plug. It's simple to use. Just work it back and forth, and then in a circular motion till it breaks apart. Apply a spark or a flame to the exposed fibers of the fire plug. This will start a fire really quickly, and the flame will be sustained for several minutes, which gives you time to build up your fire around it. These fire plugs are incredibly easy to use, and they're compact and portable. If you're spending any time in the outdoors, every member of your family should have some basic tools for survival, including a way to start a fire.
Don't worry, sweetie. I'll make sure we get home.
Oh, I'm not worried. Our backyard's right there. I snared a rabbit. Do you want some?